How trusted is Kraken? Is Kraken a safe and reliable exchange to use? In today's video, we're going to take a look at Kraken, one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. We'll be discussing its history, features, security measures, and overall reputation to help you decide if it's the right exchange for you. History. Kraken was founded in 2011 and is one of the oldest and most established cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. It is headquartered in San Francisco, California, and is regulated by the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, FinCEN. Features. Kraken offers a wide range of features, including over 200 cryptocurrencies. Kraken supports a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many more. Advanced trading tools. Kraken offers a variety of advanced trading tools, including stop losses, limit orders, and margin trading. Low fees. Kraken has some of the lowest fees in the industry. Excellent customer support. Kraken has a team of experienced customer support representatives who are available 24/7 to help you with any questions or problems you may have. Security. Kraken takes security very seriously. It uses a number of security measures to protect its users' funds, including two-factor authentication, 2FA. 2FA is a security measure that requires users to provide two forms of identification when logging into their account. Cold storage. The majority of Kraken's funds are stored offline in cold storage, which makes them much more difficult to hack. Encryption. All of Kraken's data is encrypted using SSL/TLS encryption, which makes it difficult for unauthorized parties to intercept. Reputation. Kraken has a good reputation among users and reviewers. It has received positive reviews from a number of reputable sources, including Trustpilot and Reddit. Overall, Kraken is a safe and reliable cryptocurrency exchange with a good reputation. It offers a wide range of features, including low fees and advanced trading tools. It also takes security very seriously, using a number of measures to protect its users' funds. If you're looking for a reputable cryptocurrency exchange, Kraken is a good option to consider. So, is Kraken a trusted exchange? Yes, Kraken is a trusted exchange with a good reputation. It offers a wide range of features, including low fees and advanced trading tools. It also takes security very seriously, using a number of measures to protect its users' funds. If you're looking for a reputable cryptocurrency exchange, Kraken is a good option to consider. If you're interested in learning more about Kraken, please click on the link below. You can also sign up for a Kraken account by clicking on the link below. In addition to the information in the video, I would also like to add that it is important to do your own research before using any cryptocurrency exchange. This includes reading reviews, checking out the exchange's website, and talking to other users. I would also like to remind you that cryptocurrency is a volatile asset class. It is important to be aware of the risks involved before investing in cryptocurrency. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency content.